guys, today I'm gonna cook pork tenderloin with papaya. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, water. The papaya, I slice it like this, and then pork tenderloin I marinated with salt, black pepper, and then cornstarch, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and then garlic, onions, tomatoes, and then the spring onion. Saute the garlic. And then the onion, the tomatoes, and the spring onion. And then guys, pepper, simmer for how many minutes, and we'll be right back, guys. Pork tenderloin is already tender, so the oyster sauce, and then guys, water, minutes, and we'll be right back. Our pork tenderloin with papaya. Okay, we're gonna add just a little soy sauce. And then, okay guys, we're gonna taste it. It's yummy. It's yummy guys, but it's super hot. Okay, so we're gonna garnish this one. So that's our papaya. It's super yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.